Okay, so this is a worksheet 12.1 rate. Now icing earned $56 for 8 hours. Now once you see something like this, you can straight away make the connection. $56. Okay, it's 8 hours. Now part A, how much did she earn for 10 hours of work? Okay, so now you want to find how much for 10 hours. Okay, now from here, okay, we're going to find what is 1 hour first. Right, so 1 hour, you divide this by 8. Yeah, let me just change it. Okay, divide by 8. See, from 8 hours to 1 hour, you're dividing by 8. So $56. Oops, it's too big. Okay, this one you divide by 8 will be, okay, 56 divided by 8 is 7. Okay, so this is your answer. Now the next part of the question, how many hours did she work when she earned $35? So now you're going to change this $7 into $35. Okay, and from here, now you're going to find a question mark. Alright, so from here to here, $7 to $35 is times 5. So for this 1 hour here, we times 5, you'll get $5. Alright, sorry, not $5. 5 hours. Question 2. Supermarket is selling fish at $3 per 100 kg. Zahida bought 400 grams of fish. How much did she pay? Okay, $3, 100 grams. Right, so part A. Zahida bought 400 grams of fish. How much did she pay? You want to find what's 400 grams? Okay, from here to here is times 4. Okay, so the answer will be $3 times 4. You get $12. This one will be $12. Next one, Hafiza paid $15 for the fish she bought. Okay, how many grams of fish did she buy? So next one, if you want to get $15, okay, from here to here times 5. So from here to here times 5. 100 grams times 5 is 500 grams. Okay. Question 3. Mr. Chong rented a car from Tommy's rental company for 17 days. How much did he pay? Okay, so this one you need to know how to interpret the table. Alright. Now 17 days here. Okay, it's made up of the first 4 days. Okay, first 4 days plus $25 a day for the next few days. Okay, so for the first 4 days is $40 per day, so you get $40 per day for 4 days, first 4 days. Okay, 160. Alright, now after that we have to see out of the 17 days we have already used 4 days, so we're going to minus 4. we get 13 days left. Now because it's 13 days, we can't use it here anymore because they're not the first 4 days, right? They're after that, so we'll be using this part more. Okay, more than 4 days, we charge at $25 per day, so we just take the 13 remaining days left times $25. We will get let me press my calculator. Right, question 4. The table below shows the charges for developing and printing photographs at a shop. Okay, so now when you look at this, first thing you need to know how photographs are made. Okay, whenever you take your film to the photograph shop, okay, what they're going to do is they will develop the film first to put it into a form that is ready for printing. After that, then they'll print the thing for you. Okay, so this will be the fixed cost. Alright, it's the same as just now the previous question. Oops. It's like the previous question, this one the first 4 days. Okay, so this one will be the first part of the course. This will be the next part. Alright. Now Rani sent some photos to be printed. She paid a total of $17.75. How many photographs were printed? Okay, so from this $17.75, first you have to minus off the amount that she has to pay for developing, because it's a fixed amount. Okay, so you get $15.75. Now once you know this, okay, you know that this $15.75 actually refers to 35 cents per photo. So all we need to do is take $15.75 divided by $0.35. Okay, we will get, now obviously so you can press calculator, so it's a lot easier. 15.75 divided by 0.35. Okay, answer is 45. Alright, so you got to take note, this one is always refers to the first cost, so we'll refer to everything else. Okay, let's move on to question 5. Holiday chalets are rented out at the rates shown in the table below. 2 bedrooms, 1 bedroom, amount per day from Monday to Thursday, and one is from Friday to Sunday. So you have to take these two into account. So yeah, you have to take these two into account when you're doing your calculations. Mr. Tan rented a 2-bedroom chalet for 3 days from Monday to Wednesday. So Monday to Wednesday both falls inside this category over here. Okay. So all we need to do is find the 2-bedroom, connect it to the 2-bedroom. Okay, we know it's this column. Right, then we got to find the days, which is Monday to Wednesday. This column, this is the rate. Alright, 3 days, $205 times 3 days, you get $615. Okay, how much money did he pay in total with 7% GST? Remember I told you GST is adding, right? So first you got to find the 7% GST. Okay. Okay, let me not use this. I'll just use 7% straight. Okay. Meanwhile, let me press the calculator. So of course, this one when you press the calculator, we have 615 times. Don't forget, when you times 7 is times 7%. You must press my calculator, not just times 7. Okay. So it's if I'm not wrong, for $3.05. Okay. Now we just add this in together with the 615. You'll get part A already. Okay, 7% GST plus original cost. Okay. $658.05. Okay. B. Rashid rented 1 bedroom for 4 days consecutively. He paid a total of this amount, including 7% GST. Which day could he have started to rent the chalet? Now, let's see. Now, actually, there's 2 ways we can do this. Alright. But I'm going to show you the way. One way is guess and check. Alright, and to be honest, I don't really like to show what is guess and check. Okay, so this is another method I'll do. Now first we locate here. Let me erase the rest first. Okay. First we locate where's the 1 bedroom. Okay. Then after that we locate. Do you know that there are 2 rates here? Correct. So actually we will draw a model for this one. Okay. The amount this one, right, okay, is actually a model like that. Okay, and this one that comes over here is actually a model like that plus a bit more. Now if this one is 190, okay, this one has to be 190, and the remaining one here, the 220, right, is just 220 minus 110, you get 30. Okay, so this is actually the extra that you have, which means, right, if let's say we're talking about 4 days here, 4 days, okay, regardless of how many of this one or how many of this one inside, one thing's for sure, in these 4 days, right, there will always be 4 units of 190. Okay, the only thing that will change is whether this 30 behind here is going to, how many of them is they will be having. Okay, so let's just calculate now. 845, right? So now we first take 190 times 4. Okay, will give you 800 minus 40, 760. Okay, then next step we'll take the 8. Okay, yeah. Now this $843.30 includes the GST. Okay, so now what we do now, we've got to remove the GST first. Okay, so now we know that the GST is 7%, right? So 100, okay, this is actually this part here. Okay, 100% plus 7% equals to 107%. Remember the unit method that we use? We can have 843 Alright, so moving on to the last question in the worksheet now. Each day, an ostrich is fed 500 grams of vegetables, and an emu is fed 200 grams of vegetables. How much vegetables is needed each day to feed 5 ostriches? Okay, clear cut, ostrich is fed 500 grams. Alright, just take 5 times 500 grams, equals to 2500 grams. Okay, correct answer of A. Zookeeper uses 2,800 grams of vegetables each day to feed an equal number of ostriches and emus. How many ostriches and emus did the zookeeper feed? Okay, so now the keyword here is feed an equal number. Okay, which means just like the previous question over here, okay, this one will be something like this part here, this connection here. Okay, we'll say that okay, ostrich, okay, where did it go? Ostrich, emu will be fed 200 only. Okay, so it's 500 grams, 200 grams. Okay, now this one therefore has to be 300 grams. Okay, please mind my handwriting. Okay, this one will be 300 grams. Okay, now from here we will know that for each ostrich you have 1 unit here plus 300 grams, and for each emu you only have 1 unit. Okay, now the zookeeper used 2,800 grams. Okay, so this 2800 grams each day to feed equal number of ostriches and emus. Now what we need to do, we add these two up